My name is Abhijit. You can call me AB if you want. And I've been dealing into corporate trainings since more than 8 years now. I belong to a state of Maharashtra in India, but I live in Delhi. So my key expertise from the early days of my career has been into the domain of routing and switching, some part of security, data center, and service provider networks. And apart from that, you can say I've been delivering corporate trainings onto technologies like, or you can say certifications like CCNA, CCNP, and bits and pieces of CCI as well. But yeah, since Cisco came out with the new line of certifications, that is solutions like SD-WAN, SD-Access, ACI, DNAC, and all those stuff, I picked up those solutions pretty well, and I've been dealing into them since more than a couple of years now. And my key expertise nowadays is more into automation. So I look into network automation, and I'm one of the few trainers that we have in the industry who actually look after this technology that has recently been brought up by Cisco. And I'm DevNet professional certified as well. I'm the CCNP professional certified, and lots of other domains I deal in. But majorly, SD-WAN has been doing pretty good into the industry. So yeah, I've had a good hands-on experience with that. So let's see how that goes up for you guys as well. And just to make the class more interactive, I would also request you guys to come up or introduce yourself with your name, with your location, with your organization, with your role in the organization, and with your motive to join this particular training. That will kind of give everyone and myself better ability to understand your motive and requirement, and it will help me to fulfill your expectations from this particular training. So I'll request each and everyone one by one to introduce yourself with these details so that we can get started with the content that we're going to discuss about.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
Anusha, please introduce yourself.
Hey everyone, Anusha here. I was part of Cisco like 2 weeks back. Now I've moved to Palo Alto Networks. So I'm basically a QA engineer who's going to work on the SD-WAN solutions. So now my main motive to join this is I'm completely from a LAN protocol. So I wanted to understand this whole SD-WAN solution, the complete architecture, so that it would help me, in getting into SD-WAN domain.
Cool.
Take it from there. Yeah. Thanks.
Perfect. Thank you so much, and congratulations for a new switch. So yeah, then we have Gaurav Sena with us. Gaurav, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi Abhijit. I'm having an experience of 15 years in network domain. I'm working right now with one of the leading service providers, and I'm working as a network architect with data center technologies and SD-WAN technology. So recently I'm working on some of the clients where SD-WAN is, we are deploying SD-WAN. So I have knowledge on SD-WAN, but would like to get more into it, how we are actually doing troubleshooting, testing, and how we are actually deploying the traffic. So I'm looking forward to it.
Yep. Thank you so much for your intro. Then we have Sunil with us. Sunil, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sunil Handa. I'm based on NCR and working with currently with HCL, but on notice period. So with HCL, I'm working as a senior network consultant, and my job profile is to taking care of all the LAN and WAN part of client APAC region. So I'm leading APAC over there. So the main reason to join this class is to upgrade myself, because right now all the industry is moving on the cloud side and SD-WAN sides and automation part. So automation, Abhijit, I already done from you. So thanks for that. And right now I'm working on.
I was wondering if you didn't want to.
So thanks for that. So I have implemented several automation projects over there, and I am appreciated for that also. So thanks for that, and credit goes to you also. So right now, definitely I'm eager to learn more about the SD-WAN So new technology, new gain, and definitely help me to get further growth path. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining again, Sunil. And then we have Ifra with us. Ifra, please introduce yourself.
Hello, hi Abhijit, hi everyone, and I am currently working with Accenture. I have 3 years of experience, and I work in operations, technologies, routing, switching, and wireless. I am looking forward for SD-WAN and learning into it only because I just like learning, and I think that it is an upcoming technology. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Great pick, I would say. Yeah. Then we have Karthik with us. Karthik, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Karthik. Actually, I'm from Chennai, and I work in extreme networks, and mostly I'm into routing and switching. So since it is a new technology, I'm interested to learn SD-WAN, and next I'll go for network automation with you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Karthik. Then we have Sakshi with us. Sakshi, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi Abhijit. Hi everyone. This is Sakshi. Currently, I am in Gurgaon and working in the Accenture technology. And my role in this, we are handling operations in network domain. So the motto of this classes is network is switching to the automation. So I want to learn automation so that we can go forward about this. Thank you.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much for your intro. All right, then I think we're good with all the introductions that we have. Chetan, Kurlo Gaya, please introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. Good morning. So, myself Chetan. So, I am basically from Karnataka state. I am from Bangalore. So, my organization name is Silence Data Card Services. So, role over there is senior network engineer. I have overall of 12 years of experience. And motivation to join this training is to learn on the automation technology. So right now we are doing only the hands-on configurations or changes in our network. So I'm thinking on just going into automation, how we can implement and what all uses we can get from automation. So these things I want to learn, and if possible, I will be doing next level of certifications or something.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Chetan. Then we have Raghu with us. Raghu, please introduce yourself. Can you hear me, Raghu? You are mute.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now.
Yeah, I'm okay. Hi, my name is Raghu. I've recently joined Cisco as a network engineer. Before that, I was with Wipro. I'm from Vijayawada, AP. But right now I'm in San Jose, California.
Okay.
The reason for joining this one is I have CCNA and CCNP certification. I'm preparing for my CCIE. Before that, I want to be hands-on experience in scripting, all those, especially on automation. So my team, newcomers, also is doing better than me on the coding. So I want to be professional. Yeah, that's the reason to join this club.
That's better. Yeah, you should always know what your team is up to.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you. And then we have Rizza with us. Rizza, please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Myself, Mohammad Rizza. Right now I'm in Patna, Bihar. My last organization was Innovas Limited in Mauritius. Okay, I was working over there as a product manager in telephony and networking. As the world is moving into the hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, sorry. So as the world is moving on, the Python and all things. Okay, so that's why I just wanted to learn the sketching and all thing, and just to use in our day-to-day life. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Then we have Saket Jha with us. Saket, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Good morning, everyone. So myself, Sakhi Jha, and I am based in Gurgaon location, and I am part of TCS Tata Consultancy Services since last 10 years. My total experience is 13 years now, and I am my role is associate consultant in networks. So my motive behind this training is to upgrade my skills as per current demand in the market or in this field. So that's my motive.
Perfect. Thank you, Saket. Then we have uh, Venkat with us. Venkat, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Venkat. Currently, I'm in Seattle, USA. Basically, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm working in AT&T as a consultant now, as a network consultant. And my motive here is whenever I'm seeing the job portals, the Python is basic requirement for every job. That's why I'm planning to learn Python. That's why I joined this course.
Perfect. Thank you. Then we have Kalpesh with us. Kalpesh, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, myself Kalpesh Vartak, and I'm located in Mumbai. My current organization is Capgemini India Private Limited, and over there I am an network engineer. As my motto is, as I am good in an programming language, so to satisfy the automation needs, my motto is to complete it all. Thanks.
Great. Thank you. Then lastly, we have Vinay with us. Vinay, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Vinay, and I'm currently situated in Delhi. My current organization is Accenture, and I'm working there as a senior network engineer. And my motto for this, for learning Python for network engineers and automation is to, try to automate things in the network as many ways as possible, because a lot of time what happens is there are a lot of repetitive works like backup and a little configuration and all that stuff. So yeah, so I will try, my motto is to just try to automate, configure those things in by doing the automation through Python scripting. So since this is a current need, so yeah, that's my motto for now.
Perfect. And I think that's all that we have.